Last week, I showed you guys how to create this planner here using one prompt. Now, today, I'm going to use that same planner prompt and turn it into a template and show you how you can get multiple different designs, multiple different styles, up to 100,000 designs. Stay tuned. In the last video, we created the Family Meal Planner Bible and we did it with this template. Now what I want to do is a continuation to show you how you can get multiple different designs from this one prompt. And what I'm going to do is have this prompt and turn this prompt into a template. So I am going to go back to ChatGPT. I am going to, let's start a new chat. Okay, new chat. And let's say, please turn this prompt into a template so that we can create variety, styles, and designs. VARIETY. Okay, and then I'll just say here is the prompt. And then alright, and then we're going to let that generate. Now, while that's generating, we're going to see how many different designs we can actually get out of that one prompt. Okay, it finished. Let's go back. Okay, it turned it all into a template. And let's see, line quality, the illustration should have. Okay. Now, this is how you can use this now and turn it into a variety of different style planners. Give me a minute, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to do this to create several planners, okay? Okay, so the template prompt was created, and this is what it said: act as a professional printable planner designer, layout designer, and editorial illustrator. Create a coordinating collection of 10 meal planning pages using the specifications below. Now, it tells you how to use the template and to make it work for you. Now, as I began looking over the template and looking at all the fill-ins, I started thinking, wow, this is a lot. This is a lot, and it will probably take you a while to fill this in. My purpose of the whole thing of having a template, one is so you're not starting from scratch. Two, so you don't have to take so long. So it doesn't take long. You want to be able to generate uh, your products quickly, effectively, and you want it to have style. You don't want it to be what they call AI slop. That's the purpose of having these templates. So I did not like this. I thought that this was too much detail and it would take you guys too long to do. So what I did was I went back in to chat, and I'm going to tell you the prompt that I gave it because I need to redefine it. And that's something you shouldn't be afraid to do, is to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. Have Chat act as your assistant. You can't expect for Chat to do the work for you. You have to implement what it is that you want. So, this is what I told it. Act as a professional printable planner designer and design system strategist. I have already I have I already have a detailed meal planner prompt template, but the edible design section takes too much time to complete. I want you to simplify it by creating a ready-made planner design style library. And the main goal is to create at least 10 complete design style categories that I can select by name instead of completing a long design questionnaire. I should be able to give it simple instructions such as create this planner using the whimsical style. Okay? So these are all the styles that you get. You get watercolor, Scandinavian, playful, modern, boho, vintage, cottage, whimsical. Okay? You may improve, replace, or rename these categories if another collection of style would provide greater variety. Do not create several styles that look almost identical. That's something you don't want. The purpose of having this is so that you can create different styles. Define each style completely, okay? Make the system quick and easy to use. Allow styles to be combined. So, for instance, if you want to combine a style, this would be the only part you would have to fill out. Right here, the style name and the combination, you would have to fill out right here instead of that entire page that we had before. It was several pages that you had to fill out, and I feel like that is just way too much work. Okay, now I did have, oh, I'm sorry, right here at the bottom, this is where you're going to put the old prompt. You're going to put that right here so that it can read from that. Now, I had it recreate one, and when I did it, I actually had to have it put into a PDF. And here's the PDF, and let's see what it looks like. So it's called the Planner Design Style Library, and it tells you exactly how it works, okay? And it's going to give you all your different styles. This is for the whimsical kitchen, clean and minimal, if you want to use that one, design, bold, and modern. All right. So I did make the necessary adjustments to the PDF right here. And of course, you got the how to use guides. And then I wanted to include a section about the combination. And it tells you that, let's see, I think it's I think it's on this page. Here we go. How many meal planners designs can you create with this? And it says up to 100,000. You could probably get a lot more than that. I probably guarantee you can, but this is just an example. You have examples 1 and 2, and I'm just going to show you exactly how to use this guide. So I'm going to go to page 20. Okay, let's see, here's page 20, and this is the complete meal planner here. I don't think I need to apply the section design consistency across every page. Okay, I need this. So this is what I'm going to paste into ChatGPT. And I needed the image section. So I'm going to put that part in. And that says insert the complete ready-made design style here. So we're going to go back to our PDF and let's see which design we want to use. And this one says modern bold. I really want to try the whimsical one. Yeah, right here. So we're going to try this one here. Okay. I self description a cheerful. I'm trying to figure out clean and minimum. Okay. I gotta figure out why is that doubled in there. But anyway, we're gonna take that one and include that one there. We're gonna paste that. And then we're gonna go back again. I don't need that. Okay. To the PDF. And you are going to want to go to page, I think it's page 20. There we go. No. the output requirements, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull that from my, okay, we're going to do the entire out page requirements, and this to me is much quicker than doing it piece by piece. And gonna do a quick, and we're gonna let that generate, and we're gonna see what we come out with. Okay. Okay. So the whimsical one generated, but it looked too much like the previous one that we did in the other video, so I tried another style, and this is what we got from that entire style. And then I wanted to generate another one to see what other design we can get, and I tried a boho one. I'm gonna just go to that one, and here it is right here. And so these are the examples of the ones that you can get, and I'm going to see, let's open this one, and let's open this one. Okay, so this is the meal planner. This is more of a traditional contemporary meal planner. Pages are numbered, and what I like about this is that each time it generates, it does give it a different style. So each style isn't exactly alike. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to show you. Let's go to the weekly meal plan, and let's try the weekly meal plan in the other page. Let's see, master list, food inventory. And here's their weekly meal plan, just so that you can see how much different it is. So I really do like this. I like how they come out. I like the difference of each one. And again, this is the boho one. Trying to get back to it. Okay, and it's giving me both of the pages side by side, just so that you can see the difference of the pages. And maybe even create another sequence to add to it, just to see how many different designs we can get. And also, if you would like to see anything like workbooks or any other kind of process creation, maybe like an ebook, leave a comment down in the comments section. And like I said, if you'd like to check it out, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.